Right. When you actually go to a game, right? Let's say Sharky is here, and it's making up with the other side is Dunal, right? And Sharky is Sharky white. This person is black, and you make your move and wait. If the opponent didn't make the move for 15 seconds, he loses, right? එතකොට වැටෙනවා when the opponent lost, මෙතන මේ screen එකෙන් එනවා whether what is your color, let's say white is victorious, opponent didn't move කියලා එනවා. Then you can press back to tournament කියලා press කරපුවාම it takes you back to the list. හරිද? මතක තියාගන්න මේවා these things are even natural. තව එකක් වෙනවා තව while you were playing, the one person actually gets leaves the game, right? If one person leaves, it also waits for 20 or 30 seconds. හරිද? තප්පර 20ක් 30ක් ඉඳලා තව message එකක් එනවා claim victory or claim draw කියලා, right? Then you can claim victory, then it gives you point. Always it says back to tournament, press back to tournament and come back to the tournament, right? So come back to the list. Okay, here we have some matches. I will just see one game. Is Senhiru here? Senhiru in order?
Yes.
Yes. Senhiru, how old are you? What is your grade?
2.
Oh, it's really good. Now you have played with Dunal. Lost with him. But anyway, let's check this game. I'll check one of the games. You have lost few times to Dunal. Yeah, but that is really good because you're still in grade 2. You have played really well. Don't worry because we don't know much about the lessons yet. Then කිසිම ළමයෙක් මෙතන games පාර දෙනකොට worry වෙන්න එපා because we don't know any of these lessons. The persons who actually win, like Dunal, they may Dunal දිනන්නේ from his previous knowledge, right? Not with the things that I taught him. මම ඒ කියපුවාගේ නෙමෙයි. යා තාම යාගේ knowledge එක පාවිච්චි කරලා තමයි දිනන්නේ. So until we all come to a level with with more tactics and all, we'll be actually able to give him more competition and to compete with each other very well. මේට වැඩිය compete කරන්න පුළුවන්. දැන් මේ අපි පරදිනේවා ගැන worry වෙන්න එපා. Okay, I'll check one of these games. I just wanted to show you how to check a game. So I will take one game, right? So I'm going to take this Dunal and Senhiru's game where Dunal has put a berserk. You can see there's a little berserk button. මෙතන berserk button එකක් එනවා, which means Dunal has deducted his time. So I think it was his last game. So he was in a hurry to take 5 points, right? Whenever he puts the berserk in, I have only given you 3 minutes. It was a very short game. Last week it was a very short game. Gradually now I increase the time. Then man टिके टिके time වැඩි කරනවා. Now I have put 5 plus 3 today, right? මම ටික ටික මේ වෙලාව වැඩි කරන් යනවා. Next week actually we'll put it more, right? මේක අපි තව ටිකක් වැඩි කරගෙන යමු ඉස්සරහට. Wait a second. Wait a second, right? Right. Yes, someone is going to ask something. Yes, who is it?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Sinura, Kian.
Sir, in the phone app, how to log in?
Right. In the phone app, first you need to download the app, right? Okay, download the app, right? Have you created this account with the phone app or you created with the laptop or something?
I created with both.
Okay, let's say
I created with the laptop.
Right, do you have two accounts? Right, one way that you can.
No, teacher. Only one account I have, sir.
Okay, what is your name, Buddha?
1751 Vinuk.
Vinuk. Okay, right. We have Vinuk and Sinura, right? Having the same role. Let's say Hari. Hari app එක නම් තියෙන්නේ, right? You have the app. You can create this account using the browser. මමාර කිව්ව browser එකෙන් හදන්නත් පුළුවන් account එක. And from the app also you can make an account, right? You can click on register, right? මෙහෙම කරලා දාන්න පුළුවන්. But however the method you made this කොහොම ඇදුවත් app එකට ගියාම in this app there's a thing called sign in, right? There's a part to sign in, right? Go to your app, right? Where it asks you to sign in, keep your mics muted, otherwise we hear other noises. We hear background noises. Otherwise I have to mute. Right. Whenever you go to app, there's a sign in button. May sign in button eකට ගිහලා සිරුර put your username, right? Username and password. Then you are in the account, right? Then you are in your profile. එතකොට ඔයා ඉන්නේ ඔයාගේ profile එකේ. Okay, now what to do? And again WhatsApp එකේ and in the Zoom meeting I will put the link, right? I will put the link. We have to take this link, right? මේ link එක අරගන්න, copy this link, right? Paste it in the browser. Just don't just open with the app. මේක නිකම්ම app එකෙන් open කරන්න එපා. Paste it in the browser. අර Google browser එකට දාලා paste කරලා තමයි search කරන්නේ. එතකොට තමයි ඔයාලට වර්ම එකට අරගෙන යන්නේ, right? Whatever the device you use, or doesn't matter you use the app or browser, anything, right? Okay. Wait a second, right? Right. Let's have a look. I'll unmute you in a minute. Wait a second. මම link එක දාලාම ඉන්නම්, and then I will unmute. I got some questions as well. And Kunal was saying again, that's the same thing. Mithuli says that she didn't make an account. Mithuli, why didn't you make an account? Yes, Kunal won all the room. Then I see. Lalodya, have a question you can ask. Dunal, what is the question you sent? Okay, I think you got a chance to ask that, right? Anyway, until I unmute you, I will paste you the tournament link. Wait a second. My tournament link is unmute karana, right? I was going to have a look at this game. I'll have a look at the game and I will actually get all the questions. When we actually take questions, so the children who understand this will feel bored to do this. Right, wait a second, I will forward this link to you all. Link එක දාලා ඉන්නම්. We have 31 already joined to the event, right? Then the other day, you better join this tournament before even we start the class, right? Okay. Now you have put the link. You can try to log from this, and I see lots of chats over here in the tournament. Otherwise, I will have to put that tournament chat off. Okay, I'll put the tournament chat off for a while. Right, otherwise they keep talking there. I'll see this game. This was Senhiru and Dunal. Whenever you are going to watch one of your games, right? Game එකක් බලන්න ඕන නම් හරිද? There's a button you have to press first of all. මෙන්න මේක on කරන්නම ඕනේ. This is the button which says analyzing, right? And this bar is a status bar, right? This shows you about the game. මේ game එක කොහොමද තිබ්බේ කියලා මෙයා පෙන්නනවා. Whether it was good for white or black. When it becomes good for white, the white bar actually fills up, and when it becomes good for black, the black side fills up. And now, if you want to see this game even deeper, you can go to this compute analyze. It's a very important thing. Go to compute analyze and take a computer analyze record, right? For this, you have to click on this. Make it a click request for a computer analysis. Now it loads a draft. Okay, Nikhil says he's having a problem with the account. Let's say. Now, this draft also shows which color was better. Now, in this game, I think it's a very short game. it hasn't finished the opening game, right? Then white was better at some stage. Now it has become good for black, right? After after very few moves, it has gone be good for black. Equantem black and there are some mistakes to see, right? There are some mistakes. You can see here the number of inaccuracies, number of inaccuracies, one number of mistakes, and number of blunders, which means a very bad moves. What we have done. Then what is an inaccuracy? Inaccuracy, which means the inaccuracy when you had a better move, you move something else. When you had a better option, if you move something else, it's a inaccuracy. Inaccuracy. If you make a mistake, if you do a little wrong move, it's a mistake. Blunder, which means a big mistake. Blunder, which means a big mistake, right? And then there's another thing which you call average centipawn loss. Average centipawn loss, which means the damage you make to the pawn structure. Damage. But let's say if the average centipawn loss is 100, you are 1 pawn short to your opponent. Make a siyak එක pawn කෙනෙක් අඩුයි වගේ කියලා මතක තියාගන්න. Average centipawn loss එක 100ක් අඩුයි නම් ඒ කියන්නේ අනිගලමයට වඩා pawn නිත්තේ පිටුපසින් තමයි ඉන්නේ. හරි. එහෙම තමයි සාමාන්‍යයෙන් කියන්නේ. Right. One second. හරි. දැන් අපිට තව පුළුවන් if you want to learn from your mistakes alone අපි තනියෙන් අපිට කියලා. If you want to learn from your mistakes, you can click on this button. මේක click කරාම the computer shows you a mistake මෙන්න. එයා වාගේ mistake එකක් පෙන්නනවා. ඔයාලට කරන්න දීපු best move එකක් පෙන්නනවා. මේක කරපු එක වැරදි. You would have done this. එහෙම පෙන්නනවා. right? ඉතින් මේක හරිම හොඳයි. It looks like works like a personal coach. නේද? මෙයා අපිට personal coach කෙනෙක් වගේ help කරනවා නේ. This computer actually helps us. Right. Now let's go up and see this game. මම පොඩ්ඩක් game එක බලන්න. They are both the players have started with e4. This is fine. Start right. This kind of this move is bit bad. You have moved. Then we don't actually bring if the piece has moved to a better place. We don't have to bring it back. මේ හොඳට ඉස්සරහට දාපු එක්කෙනෙක්ව ආපස්සට ගේන එක නම් එච්චර හොඳ අයිඩියා එකක් නෙමෙයි. තමක් නෑ තාම මල්ලි දන්නේ නෑනේ. But this is how the pieces were exchanged. Bad to capture. He has castle. And some of we don't know how to castle yet. දැන් අපි casting කරන්න දන්නේ නැති අය තමයි ගොඩක් ඉන්නේ. Don't think about this castling yet. But this one is bad. Senhiru, you have opened up the castle. This is bad. You should have captured it with the bishop. එහෙම කරන්න තමයි හොඳ. හරි. Opening up the castle. It's a check. So queen gets closer. Yes, she was keep giving you checks. Now actually he can bring more pieces. Yes, Dunal has moved the queen over here. It's a check. The pawn cannot recapture because it opens another attack. The pawn is pinned. Good, right? I got more pieces in, but here there was a one move checkmate was there, but you didn't see because of the time. And now he got checkmate somehow. It is a checkmate. Why do you say it's a checkmate? You can see the queen is closer to the king. When the king queen, and king cannot recapture the queen because it is guarded. It is guarded from both these bishops and bishop and knight. Bishop and knight, then again a queen guarded. So black wins the game here. That's why the here black has won. Okay. I'll put this off and I'll get these questions. Questions. No, tournament hasn't started, right? Shark, I'll unmute you. I'll take the questions like this. First, I will take the question of Lavodya, the girl. I'll take her question first. Lavodya, you may ask your question first. I will unmute you right now. Okay. Yes.
Excuse me, sir. I have got the app, but what should I do next?
Do you have this account with you?
Yes.
You have one.
Yes.
Okay, you just have to copy this link from the chat and paste it in your browser and join the match, right? Copy the link from the chat. Yes. Next one. Okay, if there are no questions, Sensadi, are you okay with the thing right now?
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Okay, yes.
Teacher, sir, I'm waiting for my opponent, but he's not showing. But it's showing he's active for 14 minutes. But he's not coming. I'm waiting
Well,
for 14 minutes now.
Shakya, now we don't play a match yet, Shakya. Match actually starts at 7 o'clock. Then the match where do you actually wait at? So the match only starts. It hasn't started the tournament yet. Shakya, it hasn't started yet.
Sir,
There are 21 more minutes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Sir, how
Yes.
to join for the tournament without the link?
Adish, why don't you have the link here?
sir, can you resend the link? I joined from another device, teacher.
Okay. I'll resend the link.
Can you resend the link?
Okay. I have.
I tried to log in, but it says we can't log you in the account. Please
Why can't you?
later.
What is?
Excuse me,
Please try
sir.
again later. That's because you might have tried, tried it for few times, entering the wrong password and username somewhere. Right? If you have tried it for several times, it will block you.
Sir,
Yes, Senetya.
sir, how do we copy the link?
Yeah, just what is the device you have?
A computer.
Well, just click on the link and click right click on the link.
But sir, it's not
Okay.
working.
Just then double click the link. Double click the link. It will open with the browser.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Sir,
Yes,
Excuse
Vinod.
me, sir. It says the invalid username and password.
You might have entered it wrong. පොඩ්ඩක් වැරදි රෙන්ට් එක කරලා පොඩ්ඩක් බලන්න හරියටම කොහෙන් හරි වැරද්දක් වුණාම තමයි එහෙම වෙන්නේ. Yes. Okay. Now let's
Sir?
look at yes.
sir,
Senetya,
sir,
Sensadi. Okay.
last
Sensadi, wait a second.
week, Thursday and Friday last week, I couldn't join the Zoom. Sir, what did you told that day?
Well, Senetya, didn't you, we were discussing about the tournaments, right? We were discussing on how to evaluate games after playing the tournaments. So first of all, you have to play one of these tournaments one day. Right? Today you can try that. Yes, Sensadi. Kian. Yes, Sensadi, what is it?
Okay, sir.
Sir, I was also absent for the previous session.
Last wait a second. I'll take Sensadi's one first. Yes, Sensadi. Okay.
group එකට join වෙන්න.
Tournament එකටද පුතේ? Tournament එකටද? Mics off කරගන්න පොඩ්ඩක්. Sensadi, what on a tournament එකටද ඔයාලා profile එක හදලා තියෙන lights?
නෑ sir.
එකක් හදන්න වෙනවා පුතේ ඉස්සෙල්ලාම. හරිද? දැන් profile එක මොකද හදන්න බැරි වුනේ? email එකක් හරි අම්මිටරි තාත්තිටරි කියලා හදාගන්න පුළුවන්ද?
පුළුවන් sir.
කවුද not help කරන්න ගෙදර? දැන් නෙමෙයි. අම්මා අයියා අක්කා කවුරු ඉන්නවද? Do you have brothers and sisters කවුරු ඉන්නවද? Malisha, 1 second.
Excuse me.
එහෙම බැරිනොත් මට කතා කරන්න. Malisha, yes.
Excuse me, sir. I am Malisha.
Okay.
When I get my username and my password, there comes chess prac GA arena. What we have to do then?
There's a button to join, isn't there? Is there a button to join or sign in?
No.
What is the device you use, Malisha? Is it the first time you are playing? Dasindu and Malisha, ඒගොල්ලෝ අක්ක first time දාද play කරන්නේ?
Yes, sir.
Well,
Laptop, sir.
today is your
use the
first day in the tournament, right? Malisha, is that the first time you are going to play this tournament?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, both of you get these links from the Zoom chat or either from the WhatsApp group. හරිද? WhatsApp group එකෙන් හරි Zoom එකෙන් හරි link එක ගන්න. Copy this link, right? Once you paste it on the browser and put search, it will take you to this tournament, right? Look at the tournament screen. Here you have this thing. Okay, second.
සර්
You have
එතන
this-
පෙන්වන්නට සර් මේ
Oh.
sign in කියලා join කියලා
හරි.
නෙවෙයිනේ.
හරි දෙකම තියෙන්න පුළුවන්. join විතරක් නෙමෙයි. sign in කියලා තියෙන්නත් පුළුවන්. sign in කියලා තිබ්බොත් මෙතෙන්ට දාන්න ඔයාගේ username and password. දාලා sign in වෙන්න ඕනේ. හරිද? join කියලා දැම්මොත් join click කරලා 1 2 3 4 දාන්න tournament entry code එක. මම tournament entry code එක ඕනනම් පොඩ්ඩක් off කරන්නම් දැනට. හරි? Okay.
Sir,
Now
is
it's
it
enough.
okay to log in by email? Excuse me.
No need to log in by email. Doesn't do you have this Lycus account to play with first of all?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, who is it?
Sir, I'm Senetia.
Yes, Anita.
Sir, when I clicked it 2 times, it tells select all.
Yeah, of course. Yes, select the link. Yes, select it and copy it in the browser. Okay, I will put. I have. Okay. What are the other devices you have at home? මොකද වෙන device එකක් තියෙනවද? Phone එකක්
Sir,
වගේ.
can you send it to the WhatsApp?
It's already there in the WhatsApp group.
No, sir.
It is there in the WhatsApp group. So otherwise, just put me a message in WhatsApp so that I can forward it to you, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Jacindu, do you have this account?
Yes, sir, I have a separate
You have
account.
You have an account. So if you have an account, what is the problem right now?
It says invalid email and or password.
Oh, when you try to sign in,
සර් ඒකේ කියනවා too many requests කියලා.
too many requests කියන්නේ හරි මෙහෙමයි වෙන්නේ. හරිද? අපි දැන් මේකේ මේ password එකක් හරි sign in වෙන්න හරි මොනවා හරි ගිහිල්ලා අපි ගොඩ සැරයක් wrong password එකක් හරි wrong username එකක් හරි enter කළොත් එතකොට අපිව too many requests කියලා පොඩ්ඩක් block කරලා තියෙනවා විනාඩි 20ක් 30ක්.
20ක් එතකොට ටීචර් සර් මේක පටන් ගනී.
පටන් ගනි. එතකොට දැන් අදෝක නවත්තන විදිහක් නැහැ එකපාරටම. ප්‍රශ්නේ තියෙන්නේ අපි වැරදියට enter කරපු එක. හරිද? මේක enter කරද්දි හරියට පරිස්සම් වෙන්න ඕනේ. දැන් අපේ හිතමු කවුරු හරි sensor D කියලා නම. ඉතින් අපි sensor D එකේ එන්න අකුර දාන්න නැතුව නිකම් දිගටම 3-4 පාරක් මේක enter
සර්
කරලා
මම
try කළොත්
දැන් මගේ තිබ්බනම් මේත් එකේ wrong කියනවා.
හරි. එතකොට ඔයා profile එක හදලා තියෙන දැන් Lycus username එක මොකක්ද ඔයාගේ වෙනුත්?
1751 විනුත්. යටින්
PRG.
hyphen සුතිය.
ඔයා මේකෙන් කලින් play කරාද?
ඔව්.
කලින් play කරා.
ඔව්.
එහෙමනම් මොකක් හරි දැන් වැරදිලා එන්ට වෙලා තියෙනවා. කලින් play කරත් නම් දැන් මොකක් හරි වැරදිලා ඉන්න කලබල වෙන්නේ නැතුව මෙහෙම කරන්න. දැන් ඔයාට automatic join වෙන්න හදන්න නැතුව නිකන් තමන්ගේ profile එකට log වෙන්න පුළුවන්ද කියලා බලන්න. දැන් එහෙම බැලුනොත් පොඩ්ඩක් අද ඉන්න වෙයි. අනිත් එක තමයි ළමයි, as I said, don't sign out. Now once you got actually sign into this account with your computers, right? Other play කරලා ඉවරනම don't sign out. Just keep it logged in, right? Stay logged in, right? Just close it from the close button. Sign out වෙන්න නැතුව close button එක close කරන්න. Now let's have a look at this. Actually, I want to do a less part of a lesson. Hurry. Now look at the screen now. Then go tournament එක ගැන හිතේ තියෙන්න එපා. Otherwise, if we keep playing the tournament, we won't be able to learn something new. හරිද? tournament එකම ගහගෙන ගියොත් අපිට අලුත් දෙයක් ඉගෙන ගන්න හම්බෙන්නේ නැහැ. හරි. So මම tournament එකේ දාලා තියෙන්නේ just to get a practice, right? නැතුව ඕක main වැඩේ නෙමෙයි, right? It won't be our main course to do the tournament, right? You can get some practice from there. Okay, let's come to a lesson. Here I'm going to show you the methods to defend, right? Methods to defend. Let's say I'm going to turn over the board. Flip the board out. Okay, imagine that you all are black. Then look at the screen. Can you all see a chessboard with the pieces, right? With black and white, they make a pair on it. Okay, right? In this one, the one of the white rooks actually comes to f1 square. Now we said the bishop. We said it's an attack. If your piece is in the, if one of the opponent's piece in a movement of your piece, අපි කිව්වා ප්‍රතිවාදියාගේ ඉත්තෙක් ඔයාගේ ඉත්තේකේ පාරේ ඉන්නවා නම් මේකට attack වෙලා කියලා. මෙන්න attack එකක්. Then white has two rooks නේ. White has two rooks. One is in a5, the other one is in a5. මේ දෙන්නාටම පුළුවන් D will end. So rook, if the rook on F file comes to D file, we say rook F D1. And if the rook A comes, rook A D1 කියලා අපි කියනවා, right? Otherwise we can't find if we just say rook D1, we can't find out which rook has actually come. Which one of these rooks have actually come to D1, we can't find it out. So I just say rook F D1. Now it's going to attack the D6 bishop. And we have another question right now. Why does it attack the bishop on D6? Right? The rook actually prefers to attack the bishop on D6 because it has no guards. See, it has no guard. Why do you say it's not guard? Why do you actually say it's not guarded? මෙයා මේ රුක්ගෙන් බිෂප්ටම අටැක් කරන්නේ යාට කිසිම ආරක්ෂාවක් නැති හින්දා. අපි කොහොමද කියන්නේ ආරක්ෂාව නැහැ කියලා? You can say this bishop isn't connected to any other pieces movement, right? It's in no one's movement. මෙයා කාගේවත් move එක නෙමෙයි, it's alone. මෙයා ඉන්නේ තනියම. So it's an unprotected piece. It's an unprotected something, right? It's an unprotected piece. So the easiest target that we can actually get in chess are the unprotected pieces, unguarded things, right? So white, what does actually white do here? He brings the rook to D1. Now it attacks the bishop. Okay. Now the bishop is threatened to be captured. The bishop kapenna yan. Now I will unmute you. You have to tell me the ways to defend this. How to save this? May bishop බේර ගන්න විදිය වලට ඔයගොල්ලෝ කියන්න ඕනේ. Okay? So I won't get any other questions about the tournaments right now. I just need the answers for these, right?
Excuse me, sir. Sir, we can take
Yes.
the
Okay. Let's do like this. Put a raise hand. If you know an answer, put a raise hand. ඔයගොල්ලෝ answer එකක් දන්නවනම් raise hand එකක් දාන්න I will answer. මේක එක නම් ගන්න. We'll take from Himayangi. Yes, Himayangi. What do you wish to do?
Excuse me, sir.
Wait a second. I'll take Himayangi's answer.
We get the black rook to the
This is good.
Black rook to
Come on.
D8.
This is not the way to answer.
white rook
Black rook to D8.
මම පොඩ්ඩක් mute කරා ඉස්සරහ. This is not the way to answer. මම raise hand එකක් දාන්න කිව්වම raise hand එක දාගෙන ඉන්නව සමහර ළමයි and some just screaming the answers. සමහර අය නිකම් answers කියලා කෑ ගන්නවා. So this is not the way to go. I was just asking from Himayangi. මම අහපු එක්කෙනා තමයි කියන්න ඕනේ. නැත්තම් Himayangiලා ගොඩක් ඉන්නවා වගේ. Okay. Himayangi, what is your choice?
bishop can move to e6.
Bishop can move to e6 like this. It was the plan. No, you can't move bishop like this because bishop cannot move across like this. But bishop can move to somewhere else. Where can you move the bishop? Only Himayangi is saying, right?
b8.
Bishop can move to b8. Okay, done. Right. Now I'll take the next one from Lalo. Someone actually said me one answer. Rook d8, that is good. And one said that I can move the bishop. Let's see the methods, right? Okay.
sir.
No, let's,
Can I tell?
To H2.
wait a second. I'll get Mithuli's answer. Mithuli.
Can I
Mithuli kyan? Padakin. Mithuli. Only Mithuli. None others. Yes, Mithuli.
Sir, the bishop, we can move the bishop for that white knight staying for there.
Here. That's good. Now let's say all these. Now, for example, this is one method. We say this method is to protecting. You guard the bishop with something. This method is protecting. Make it tamai ආරක්ෂාවක් දාන්නේ. And these two methods, like if I say when I play bishop to b8, or either if I play bishop to f4, both these actions are monada moves. May they come monada move. So
Sir, rook can be taken.
yes, that's one action. Now let's come to that, right? Dunal was saying that why can't the rook take it? Now this is one action. Bishop can go to f4. That's one action. Dunal says, why don't the bishop straight away cut the white rook? Easily done the job, right? Capture. It is another method. What the mean? Cut method. Okay. Now we have done 3. We have 5
Sir.
methods. With your pahak tiyenama. Any other ideas? Okay, let's take it from Adish.
Black rook to D8. Black rook to
Wait,
D8.
wait. It's the same thing, right? It is the same thing.
Sir, can I tell? Sir,
Yes,
can
what
I
is it?
H5B. Sir, can I tell?
Yes, Nikhil can tell you idea. Yes.
Move bishop to F8.
Well, it is the same thing. But the method is to move.
Can I
Kodakina, this move, this,
Moving
this. All these
E8
moves.
bishop to D8.
Right. All these are moves. Me tunama moves. This is protecting. This is capture. But there, I want a method, not a move. Matwani thaw method dega. Can't repeat another. Can someone put it to chat? I'm actually seeing. I'm getting some answers from the chat as well. Right. So I have muted you all. Right. So there are 2 more. There's one more way to stop. There are 2 more actually methods. This is the attack. Yes. I can defend by covering. It's another option. See, option of covering. I can cover the attack. Finally, I can give a counter attack. This is the hardest one, right? Let's see. Whenever a piece is attacked, then I'm going to right? Attack, which means if your opponent's piece in a movement of your piece, right? Attack kya kiyanne mokadda? Oyage ittege move ekේ anik ළමගේ ඉත්තෙක් ඉන්නවා. Right now we have this white stroke and the bishop is on its movement. So bishop is attacked. Bishop is attacked. Right? So we say this is the attack. And we were discussing about the ways to save it. අපිට දැන් මේක බේර ගන්න දේ we have 5 methods. Number 1, you move it somewhere. මෙන්න මට පුළුවන් මෙතෙන්ට දාන්න. F8. This is moving away. Move away, right? Or we say withdrawing, withdraw, move away, right? First method. But remember, whenever if you are going to move your piece, move it to somewhere active. This was the best move, right? Bishop to F4. If you move to some place, move it to a better place that you can at least attack one of your opponent's pieces. Number 2 method, capture. You can capture the attacker. If you capture the attacker, then the attack is gone, but it won't be a, it won't just be recaptured with the, let's say it won't just be recaptured with the knight bishop or something, right? Whenever you capture this, the white will actually take the F7 pawn and give you a double attack. So it is the same, like by just looking at this position, we would think that capturing is the best method. Black capture but capture it's just an equal option. It's just an equal option. If you capture this, black is also going to lose a rook. So it is just an equal method. Number 3 method that you can cover the attack, right? Number 4 method, you can bring a guard. Protecting. We say guarding. Or as we can say defending. Number 5 method, you can also give a counter attack. Let's say, what is a counter attack? Pratiprahare. Counter attack. If you capture my bishop, so I will also capture your knight. It is the threat. We don't say it verbally. But if you capture my bishop, I will take your knight too. Counter attack. So we have 5 methods: capture, move, what else? Guard, cover, counter attack. Right? You have to remember all these 5. But remember, can we say in each and every position, will you be having all these 5 options? හැමතැනදීම මේ option පහම තියෙන්නේ නැහැ. Okay. Yes, yes. I got some messages saying that tournament is about to start. Don't worry. Now I'm going to stop the lesson right now. We have 2 more minutes to start the tournament. And we have 52 already joined to the event. The others can join, and the rest of you, I will open up these groups, right? I'm opening up these groups to chat so that you can communicate me from the WhatsApp group, right? You can actually communicate me through the WhatsApp group. I will open up to because we were putting them only to the admins, but we will open them up, right? So මොනහරි question එකක් තිබ්බොත් you can communicate this question from the WhatsApp group, right? So that we can easily answer you, right? Let's go and play the tournament. Don't worry. Gradually we will learn this stuff about the tournament. මේ වගේ අපිට ඉමින් ඉගෙන ගන්න පුළුවන්. Most important thing is actually to learn the lessons, right? Okay, let's go and play the tournament, right? Good night.